You are accessing the public region of a drive. You get an error message stating that the disk has failed. What could be the possible reason for this message? Option A. VXVM can access the private region but there are uncorrectable I/O failures on the public region of the drive. Option B. VXVM cannot access the private region or the public region of the drive. Option C. VXVM can access the public region of the drive but there are uncorrectable I/O failures on the private region of the drive. Option D. VXVM can access the public and the private region of the drive but the Plex on the drive is disabled. The correct answer is option C. Consider a situation where a system has a volume with the traditional mirror stripe layout that consists of 4 disks. The volume consists of subdisk and subdisk, which are in Plex, and subdisk, which are in Plex. What is the volume status if both subdisk and subdisk fail? Option A. The volume remains up because of mirroring. Option B. The volume is down because both Plexes are detached. Option C. The volume remains up because of striping. Option D. The volume goes into rebuild status. The correct answer is option B. You are monitoring the storage foundation environment in your organization. A disk starts receiving intermittent I/O errors and shows signs of hardware fatigue. All the data on the disk is redundant, however, in this situation, you cannot interrupt I/O. How should you resolve this error? Option A. Copy the volume to another disk. Option B. Add a new drive and wait for it to populate. Option C. Move all the subdisks to healthier disks. Option D. Force the subdisks to move to a stripped volume. The correct answer is option C. The administrator determines that /Symantec DLP /protect /incidents folder on Enforce contains bad files dated today while other IDC files are flowing in and out of the /incidents directory. Only IDC files larger than MB are turning to bad. What could be causing only incident data smaller than MB to persist while incidents that are larger than MB change to bad files? Option A. Enforce hard drive is out of free disk space. Option B. Detection server has excessive file reader restarts. Option C. Table space is almost full. Option D. Corrupted policy was deployed. The correct answer is option C.